Dear children, welcome to English language class. We are doing the topic verbs, and in verbs we are doing the tenses. This is video number 8, and in this video we will talk about the continuous tense. Now we all have seen that what is a tense? Tense tells us about the time, at what time the action takes place. Verbs change depending on time of action or state. So we have to look at a verb to understand its tense. So tenses are of three kinds: present, past, and future. And each tense has further four types: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. In the previous video, we talked about the simple tense: simple present, simple past, and simple future tense. In today's video, we will talk about the second tense, that is continuous tense: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous tense. So all the continuous tenses are formed with a helping verb plus a main verb having a ing form of verb. For example, Mukesh was speaking cheerfully. Nandu and Sandeep are typing fast. The plane will be flying on schedule. So was speaking is showing the past continuous, are typing is showing the present continuous tense, will be flying is showing the future continuous tense. Now let's talk about the present continuous tense first. The verb phrase in the present continuous tense is formed with is, are, or am plus the ing form. The present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. For example, she is jumping. We are jumping. I am jumping. She is playing. They are playing. I am playing. So here the action is continued. It is still going on. So is, am, are, they are showing the present tense with the verb in ing form. For example, jumping, playing. Now let's talk about the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense indicates an action that was going on in the past. She was jumping. We were jumping. I was jumping. She was playing. They were playing. So here was, were are the helping verbs indicating the past tense with the verb in ing form, like jumping, playing. Now the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense indicates an action that will be going on in the future or is certain to happen in the future. The verb phrase in the future continuous tense is formed with will be plus ing form of verb. For example, they will be going to the garden. I will be going with them. She will be coming too. They will be playing in the garden. So in these sentences, will be plus ing form of verb indicates future continuous tense, like going, playing. These are the verbs in ing form. Now, negative sentences in the present and past continuous tense, how do we form them? The structure used to form negative sentences in present and past continuous tenses is subject plus helping verb plus not plus base form of verb in ing form, and then the rest of the sentence. For example, she is not dancing well. He was not running fast. So she is the subject, is the helping verb, not is used to make a negative sentence, and dancing is the verb in ing form. The second sentence, running, is the verb in ing form. Now, negative sentence in the future continuous tense is formed by following the structure: subject plus will not plus be plus base form of verb plus ing, and then the rest of the sentence. Let's see the example. We will not be coming to the mall. So we is the subject here, and will is the helping verb. Not is used to make a negative sentence, and coming is the verb, that is base verb plus ing form. Now questions are formed in present and past continuous tense by using helping verb plus subject plus base form of verb plus ing form, and then rest of the sentence plus the question mark, and we end it with a question mark. For example, is she dancing well? Here is the helping verb, she is the subject, and dancing is the verb with ing form. Let's see another example. Was he running fast? Now questions in future continuous tense, how do we form them? We use subject. First we use the helping verb plus subject plus be plus base form of verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence, and we end it with a question mark. For example, Will they be coming to the mall? Here, will is the helping verb, they is the subject, and coming is the verb with ing form. So this is how we form sentences in present, past, and future continuous tense. Thank you.